Because my art is an explosion!
Yeah, so I had a really good first date with you and all, but
I felt that too.
I just checked Twitter and your birthday is in August, like you're a Leo.
No, she's born.
As a Pisces, right?
What's your zodiac sign? Do you think I'm fine? Am I wasting your time? Wait, because you looking divine, do you want to be mine? No, I see it as fine, okay. She got me slipping and sliding, she hold while she riding, she closing her eyelids, she feels just so you know I'm a Leo, I'm worth like two people, that makes us a trio ideal, alright?
What are you doing, Monty?
I'm breaking bread like a Pisces, catch me emotional, that's highly unlikely, and I can't have no outburst, she thinks of me highly, split personality, just like she's Miley. But it ain't my life been a movie, just like I'm Leo. You know it ain't prom night, I'm dancing like Rio. Hit it, she claiming she love when I dance around her, but her feelings dance around me too. Baby, you the fourth OG, and yes, I'm a Leo. Yeah, I'll slide you my birth chart. You still wanna go out with me, salmon and trout on the plate, scarf it down with me. I make her whole, but she only took half of me. Slacking, I'm never lacking. I'm on a quest and I'm not talking dragon. No, I'm not toothless. Got in the car and she gave me her two lips. Acting like I'm telling her two lips. Zodiac killer, I think with the bag and the zipper. I'm a Leo. What's your zodiac sign? Do you think I'm fine? Am I wasting your time? Wait, because you looking divine, do you want to be mine? No, I see it as fine, okay. She got me slipping and sliding, she riding, she closing her eyelids, she feels just so you know I'm a Leo, I'm worth like two people, that makes us a trio. I tell me your sign and I'm blasting. Zodiac killer on top of the fraction. Vicky love me, so I won't ever pass it. Back on these songs like I'm cracking it. Born as a Leo, it's cool. She said that she want me cause I know my zodiac. Find out she a Gemini, now I am over that. Go.
But I'm still a zodiac killer. I take her soul with the bag and the zipper. I'm a Leo who eat Pisces.